I'm looking at Bitcoin Dom here. This is a chart of the Bitcoin dominance versus Tether perpetual futures on Binance. And basically, I track Bitcoin dominance in order to know how to buy and sell altcoins on my leverage trades. Um, we take trades in my group, which I can discuss a little bit later in the video, based off of the dynamic of what Bitcoin Dom is doing. And this is the chart here. So we can see Bitcoin Dom has basically found support at this level of 957, I want to say billion. And it has bounced off of here significantly. This right here, this move was the move back in the beginning of August, which started the first pullback in alts because alts were kind of choppy in the beginning. And then this dump here was when all the altcoins had a nice run. Altcoins like ADA, altcoins like XRP, like Algo, they started firing off. This larger move down from the what am I on? 15? I think I'm on the 15. Let me see. I'm on the hourly. Let me dial back a little bit to the daily so we can get a good perspective. This move back in July was when alts really started popping off. And this is a good floor, this is a good bottom, and these are two levels that I marked off as support here. 960, 967. Since then, it's been kind of choppy, and it's been in a range, sort of something like this, I guess, where we've been kind of in and out in my group. We would sell somewhere over here, and we would try to buy somewhere over here and ride it the best way we can. And now Bitcoin Dom in this the stochastic RSI is showing that Bitcoin Dom has been rising on the daily, which has been putting pressure on alts, which is why some of these altcoins that you guys are in can't get over all-time highs back from the April and May run. And it's kind of ranging here. And I'm anticipating something similar to happen like this, where this daily candle will probably push up again, maybe even wick and hit this blue line, the 50 EMA on the daily, break out of this in sort of a fake out, then touch back down, bounce, and then start coming down towards this low and breaking this low, which would probably put Bitcoin Dom percentage somewhere around like 35% or 40%. And this move right here is probably when we're going to try to buy in my group, and we'll load up on some altcoins and we'll take this move down. If we look at it on the 15-minute, it's extended. And I bought TRX last night. I alerted the group to buy TRX, and I alerted the group to buy XLM. And we just sold it when it peaked on the 15. We had a good profit. It was like 50%. Basically, I alerted the group to buy at about 6 a.m. We sold somewhere around 12, I think, or 11 a.m. We made like 50% on that move. And now it looks like it does have some Momo, but the Momo will be short-lived. I would say this is also a very likely scenario that Dom will push off the hourly. Maybe do something like this. Hit this line at 102 and then dump. This is the more preferred play for us. This would probably dip alts back to the lows from yesterday. This move right here was when everything was just crashing. It was just going to hell. And I couldn't get a buy because I knew this was happening. I couldn't long and I couldn't short because this was happening, and we're in a bull market, so shorting is just like suicide. So basically, you just have to be patient and wait for this to complete. And when it did, you could see it on the stochastic. And that's all I'm waiting for, really. I'm waiting for Bitcoin down to pop up on the hourly, pop up on the 30, pop up on the 15, and then I'm looking for it to roll over. So once the hourly has finished its run, likely that will be the dip that we're going to long, because the hourly will then pull the 2 hour. The 2 hour could push it as well. Maybe we'll make another run at the 200 here. But that will likely be the move that pulls down the 3 hour on the stochastic, and we head into oversold, which is what you want on Bitcoin Dom, oversold. You want to be buying Bitcoin Dom overbought, altcoins buying here, selling here. Because we're in this bull market here, the 4 hour is very extended, but the daily has one more push. So we're going to get one more push on the daily, probably up here, something like this. This will probably hurt altcoins today into tomorrow. Then we will, it might even happen around the close, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York. We might get this, or it could go a little higher, like I'm saying. So we'll be looking to long altcoins, some coins on the radar. A lot of these coins are looking very good to jump in a leverage long. You got Dodge. Dodge is pretty wrecked on the 4 hour. The 4 hour is looking to come out. The daily, the 4 hour broke down here, got some support on the 100 EMA. We had a nice bull hammer, and right now it's rejecting. So chances are Dodge will hit the 200, test 27 cents, and then make its way up. We've got XRP. I do a little Elliott wave stuff. It looks like a truncated fifth, ABC. Now, if XRP does this, because I think XRP is pretty bullish, that would be nice. If it does break down, hit the 200, and then go, that would be an incredible buy. That would be $1 on XRP, and we could hit $1. We could hit $1.50 to $2 in this next push, because the 4 hour is pretty wrecked and the daily is pretty wrecked. XLM, one of my favorites, keeps respecting this trend, but I think it has one more dip. I think it'll probably get caught over here around 32 cents and then break. So we're watching XLM. We're watching EOS here. Same thing, same setup. We're watching NEO. We're watching Luna. All of these coins, it looks like Luna had a pretty bearish bear hammer. A lot of selling. Can't hit demand here. Hit supply at 34, and it's now wicking. But Luna has a very nice setup for a long. The 4 hour is trying to turn. The 1 hour is looking for a dip, so maybe we come back down to 28. Luna will probably be a buy. The 15 is almost done. The 30 is almost done as well. So I probably will alert Luna if we get down here on this hourly dip to around 28. I'll probably alert it at about 10x, and we probably will target up here again around 34, and it could even break, because now Luna is entering a bull market on the daily. The daily has had its reset, and look at this thing. It's just gone parabolic. Here's some other coins. You see, we tracked ADA. I alerted the group to buy ADA down here when it was $1.05. I said we're in it. Well, no, not here. I'm sorry, around here. Nope, it was around here. It was around $2, I think. It was right around here on this dip. This was back from the month before. We put it on our radar. We did trade in and out it, but then when it had this dip to $1.93, we went long, 10x leverage on ADA. We also bought spot. ADA's been in a monster bull run. It hit $3. It looks like ADA has some downside. I wouldn't long it here. Link is on our radar. Link is lagging big time. We got a target on Link of around $44, $45. So these are our other coins that we watch, as you can see. And we also traded Tron here. We got in right at the bottom of this dip yesterday. And it had a nice bounce. And the micro pennies are great. I mean, we entered at 0.83, I think, or 0.84. Sold at 0.88, and it was a big win. It was nice, something like 52% or something like that. We win 20%. We win in big because the move was obvious. The daily is pretty wrecked on Tron, so Tron is on my radar. Tron and Luna and XLM are my three favorites right now. So I'm going to try to make videos. I won't be able to send out updates like this about how to buy quick enough on YouTube. So if you guys would follow me on YouTube, I'll continue to make videos. If you guys want, I'll make videos on each and every single altcoin. I do Elliott wave analysis. I always track Bitcoin DOM, so I try to be as risk-free as I can when I enter these leverage trades. I have an upside target on Tron after we have this final dip, somewhere around here, around 15 cents. So Tron will be a nice play once it breaks from this. Downside risk right now is limited. It could come back here to 7 cents and then pop up, or it could just chop around in here in this triangle and then break up. It's really about what Bitcoin dominance does. So circling back to Bitcoin dominance, it's still pushing, and it still has some moves left on the daily. So we're in a bit of a no trade zone. And I say let's wait to see how this thing works out on the hourly, because the hourly can do some damage. This move on the hourly right here wrecked altcoins. I mean, if you were in them long, you got wrecked. But if you jumped in here, jumped out there, jumped in here, jumped out there, or something in that type of a movement, you made some money quick. And it looks like the hourly can do some more damage. So I'm watching the hourly, thinking it's going to pull up the daily one more time, and then we're going to go long on altcoins. So my name is Big Mike. I'll stick the link to my group in my bio, and you can click the link to my group. The crypto stuff is $50 a month. It's about $1.70 or $1.65 a day. We trade leverage in the group. We buy spot, and I alert the group daily to all of these different charts. The stock stuff I do OTC, and I also do penny stocks. That's free. So if you guys click the link and join, you can kind of observe how the group is going. But if you want to get the crypto stuff, it's only $50 a month. And I'm also going to be continuing to make videos here on YouTube, trying to show you guys my strategies on how we trade. I got about 65 members in the group. Everybody seems to be happy making money. I started it back in June. So please, if you like this video, give me a follow and share it with your friends and family. If you're a trader and you want to join the group and you want to trade actively daily like we do, consider joining my group. Thank you very much, and look for my next video.